Perhaps you're getting these annoying emails from Google Ads and you just don't want to get them anymore. Well, a quick way to turn them off is basically going into your Google Ads campaign or your account settings and turning them off, actually. So let me show you how to do that. So in case this is an issue for you, we're creating this video to help you do that. So literally, you just go into your Google Ads, so you log in, and once you're in here, just scroll up to Tools and Settings, and then see Preferences. Once you click on this, it will basically get you to this set of instructions. We're not going to go there, frankly, for the sake of this client, but once it's there, just click on the notifications, which should get you what emails they are sending you to. For this particular issue, it may be the disapproved ads and policy alerts, which says receive only critical. So you can actually change it to receive all, or the one it's set to, or receive none. So that's one way to actually switch it off. The other route, which could be a little bit more time consuming, and we've done this for other clients, is that you just have to go in and actually fix the issue. And once it's done, it should hopefully not alert you anymore. But this is one way to basically do that. So if you have issues where you get emails for anything from literally these disapproved ads and policy alerts to offers or anything newsletter or anything Google Ads oriented, this is the place to basically shut them off. So hopefully this helps, and we hope you enjoy Seattle Organic SEO's YouTube channel.